Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send video messages on Viber. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So open your Viber app and open the individual chat where you want to send a video message, and here you will get this microphone icon. And if you see here this microphone icon, then swipe to the left side and then you will get here the video option. Hold the video option here, and now you can capture your video and then release to send your video message. And here you can see I've successfully sent a video message here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.